Hello, mathematicians. It's Miss Hazel here. And we are about to do sprints. Just to review, we're going to work on equal groups again today. So you'll see them in your sprint. So right here you see that I wrote 3 2's here. And when we say 3 2's, it's like we have an invisible word right in this blank here. Or 2 words, I should say. 3 groups of 2. And that's why I have 1 2, 2 2's, and 3 2's. 3 2's is the same as us saying 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2, 4, 6. 3 2's equals 6. Just like 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. This is numbers and words, and this is just an equation. But see how they give you the same amount. So now you have the chance to practice this yourself with your sprint. Okay? This is your first sprint. You have 1 minute to solve as many as you can, all right? When I say go, I'm going to set this timer and you will begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, time is up. If you did not get done as many as you would like, no worries, because you know you will have Sprint B where you can practice the same skill. Okay? When I say go, I'm going to start reading the answers in the first column here. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Go. 4, 4, 10, 10, 6, 6, 8, 8, 15, 15, 20, 20, 8, 8, 6, 6, 12, 12, 10, 10, 25, 25. That is the first column. I will read the second column in 3, 2, 1, go. 14, 14, 18, 18, 16, 16, 9, 9, 12, 12, 12, 12, 20, 20, 18, 18, 24, 24, 21, 21, 27, 27. Now remember, there are the pictures of the answer keys on Google Classroom, so if you don't like to listen and check, then you can also look at the pictures and check. Right now, what I'm going to give you 15 seconds to do, or I'm sorry, I'll give you about 25, is to look at your work and try to find some patterns. Okay? You can mark it with a pencil or a highlighter, whatever you have. Alright, we're coming back together in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, see how I have 1 and 2 are in yellow and 3 and 4 are in orange? That's because they're the same answers. And you probably noticed this too in your pattern. And the reason they are the same is because we look at number 1, where we have 2 plus 2. How many groups or numbers do we have? Right, we have 2. We have 2 addends. We have 2, and they both are 2. So we have 2 2's. So 2 2's and 2 plus 2 give you the same answer. Just like if you look down here, 5 plus 5 plus 5, that's 3 5's. It's the same thing. And you get 15 each time. Okay? Sorry, I'm working on my highlighting skills. It's a new program for me too. Alright, good job. If you have not already, make sure you have your number correct at the top. I'm going to say that I got 15 correct. Okay. And we are moving on. You will now have 1 minute. You're working on the same skill in Sprint B. Okay? Seeing if you can improve your score. Ready in 3. When I say go. 2, 1. Do your best. Go. Good job. Your 1 minute is up. When I say go, I'll start reading answers down the first column. You will circle which ones you got correct so you can fill in the top part up here. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, it's time to check your work for Sprint B. Go. 10, 10, 4, 4. 15, 15, 20, 20, 6, 6, 8, 8, 6, 6, 12, 12, 8, 8, 25, 25, 10, 10. That's the first column. We're going to read the second column in 3, 2, 1, go. 16, 16, 14, 14, 18, 18, 12, 12, 12, 12, 9, oh, I made a mistake there. 9, 20, 20, 21, 21, 27, 27, 18, 18, 24, 24. Alright, you know the drill. You now write down how many you got correct at the top. I'm going to say I got 19 correct. Okay. So again, when you write your improvement score, that's how many more you got right the second time than the first time. So the first time I got 15 right. This time I got 19 right. 19 minus 15 is 4. I improved by 4. Okay? You do the same for your score. And good job. Good work. You're going to work with equal groups in our lesson today. Way to warm up your brain.